Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Femtech video tutorial. Now for this video tutorial I'll be showing you how to hard or factory reset this Alcatel smartphone. In the description section of the video we'll be definitely giving you the exact model number. So need to factory reset this one. Now you need to locate the volume up button and also the power button, which to the right of the phone. This is the volume up, volume down, and the power button. What you need to do is to press and hold the volume up, then press and hold the power button. Once you feel the phone vibrate, just simply release off the power button, continue holding down on the volume up. Then you should be seeing this screen. Now use volume down and scroll down to wipe data factory set. Use power button to choose. Scroll down to yes with the power down, volume down I should say. Use power button to choose. It is now wiping, that's what it is saying there, already done. Let's go to reboot system now, power button to choose. So it is now rebooting. So yes, you have now successfully factory or hard reset this Alcatel smartphone. So once again guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femtech is out of here.